What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Edgar, so stay tuned. Starting off with our gold FX, we're going to continue to ball him out. Moving on to our no guard all the way open, we're going to create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you remove that first guideline. Once that initial guideline is erased, you want to move on to your one guard all the way open. With the one guard closed and midway, you're going to soften up this line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done blending out our second guideline, we're going to move on to our third guideline and use the two guard all the way open. Once you're done softening up the line with the two guard, you want to move on to your 1.5 guard. Before we switch over to our clipper over comb, we're going to use a 3.5 guard. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to debolt the sides and connect the fade. There's still a few dark spots that I still see, so I moved down to my 1.5 guard. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Using our foil shaver, we're going to remove all the stubble. And if you're wondering what that powder-like substance is, it's shave stick. Moving on to the back side of the head, you want to make sure you make your guideline a little bit thicker than the sides due to the occipital bone and the increased density of hair follicles. Switching to our 1 guard all the way open, we're going to get it ready for the half guard. We're going to be using the 2 guard all the way open to create the next guideline and then remove that guideline with the 1.5 guard. I'm using my clipper oval comb method, but I'm making sure I don't cut in too much because I don't want to remove his curls. Now that we're done with the sides and back, we're going to move on to the top of the head. He usually likes about a 1/2 inch trimmed off. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that I did the shear work on top, it revealed a few dark spots, so I went back to my clipboard comb and removed them. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to make sure we debulk before we line him up. When you're lining someone up, you want to make sure you take your time and slowly etch in the lining. You always want to make sure you head back to the fade in detail. We applied Elegant Shave Gel and now we're using my Turkish razor to make him as crispy as possible.